Hi, this is John, demoing an SMT550 placement issue that I'm having. First, I verify that the board is where the machine thinks it should be by making sure that both fiducials line up. Next, I check the first component, C1. Things look good, ignoring the solder paste. Now, to do a few test placements. My concern starts with the visual alignment. And with the actual misplacement, with the component not at all centered on the crosshairs and not actually on the PCB pads. This pattern of missed visuals and missed PCB alignment continues with the rest of the test-placed components. So far we've tested capacitors. Let's see if it's the same for diodes. Nope, even SOT23s get placed slightly off-center.